Materials are everywhere. They are available in wide varieties and in different forms. The air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, the equipments which we use for agricultural purpose, the clothes we wear so that we can protect ourselves from the winter cold, summer heat and rain showers. Banks, schools, shopping malls, hospitals, various means of mobility, household appliances, electronic gadgets, optic fiber for data transmission and communication. Everything has its existence because of the material. If we look around, these things have become the eternal part of our day-to-day life, and materials are the building blocks of all these things. So, what would life be like without materials? To understand the key role of material in the growth of mankind, let's dive into the history. In prehistoric time, man lived in caves, ate uncooked food, suffered from cold freezing nights and feared of wild animals. The bottom line is, man spent ages in discomfortable life. But 2.6 million years ago, man learned to produce weapons by using rocks. Man learned to build shelter for himself by using sand, stone and wood. Man invented fire with the help of rocks and started eating cooked food. It means the rock, the material, helped man to create comfortable life for himself. This era was named as Stone Age, which was ended in between 8700 BC to 2000 BC with the discovery of copper and gold. After few days, man invented casting process, and with the help of casting process, man developed first alloy, which is called as a bronze. And from that alloy, the era was named as Bronze Age. Later on, man discovered iron. With the help of casting processes and alloying element, man produced ferrous and non-ferrous alloys, which brought industrial revolution. Later on, man started producing nylon, which was the start of plastic age. The discovery of silicon brought world closer. Nowadays, man has started replacing conventional material with the carbon fiber reinforced polymers. It means today we are in a carbon age. So if we look back, we can define growth of civilization on the basis of material. The journey of man's growth was started from Stone Age to Bronze Age, from Bronze Age to Iron Age or Steel Age, from Steel Age to Plastic Age, and from Plastic Age to Silicon Age. And now it's a Carbon Age. In this entire journey, the 20th century was the golden era for mankind. Let's go through the list of 20 engineering achievements that had greatest positive impact on society in 20th century. So here is the list. Electrification, automobile, airplane, water supply and distribution, electronics, radio and television, telephones, computers, refrigeration and air conditioning, highways, spacecraft, internet, imaging, household appliances, health technologies, petroleum and petrotechnology, laser and optic fiber, nuclear energy and high performance material. Out of these achievements, the achievements which are highlighted in blue color are enabled due to the materials. In next video, I will talk about the 14 challenges for 21st century.